Okay, like I said, I like to start by looking at, can we add or subtract something to get our pattern going? If I look at this, I would have to subtract 24. So if I subtract 24 again, that's not 12, right? That's going to be 0. So then our pattern is not adding or subtracting. So let's think about what another pattern might be here. We're not multiplying by a whole number, because if we did, we'd be getting increasingly large numbers. So we're either multiplying by a fraction or dividing by something. You can think of it either way. So look at what's happening to go from 48 to 24. So you can think, okay, we're dividing by 2. That's a fair statement. You could also say we're multiplying by 1/2. Either one of those is the same result. So whatever one you think is easier to, recognize, that's what you should do. So if we divide 12 by 2, we're going to get 6. If we multiply 6 by 1/2, we're going to get 3. And if I divide 3 by 2, I'm going to get 3/2 or 1.5. So we are either dividing by 2, I can't spell dividing, or you could have said multiply by 1/2. Either one is fine. What are the next 3 terms? Those are 6, 3, and 3/2. Same as saying 1.5. So if that's 1.5, that's easier for you to visualize. That's fine. So then our graph is going to look like this. We're going to plot the point 4, 6. So 4, 2, 4, 6. Looks like we're counting by 2s again. 5, 3. And then 6, 1.5. We'll be right about there. And once again, that's definitely not a linear function. It is maybe a quadratic, maybe it's something else.